Hi guys, welcome back to the Savvy Shoppers. I'm Sarah, thanks for joining us. Tonight I am going to be reviewing a waterproof mascara, and it is by the brand Elaimei. And I have been using this for a couple of years now. My sister was actually the one that turned me onto it. It is of course available on Amazon. And this is what they call a tubing mascara. If you're unfamiliar with that, mascara goes on your eyelashes. In case you didn't know, my husband didn't know. So mascara goes on your eyelashes. So the idea is that it is going to volumize, thicken, and lengthen your eyelashes. And a tubing formula versus a traditional mascara formula. Traditional mascara formula kind of coats your lashes with the waxes and the polymers, but the tubing one actually forms almost like a little shell around each eyelash, and so it helps prevent smudging and flaking and is very waterproof. But the upside of that is that it removes very easily with warm water. So if you got splashed in the face with like the hose, or if you were going to a water park, it should last through that situation. It needs to be warm water put on your eyelashes for a tubing mascara to come off. So it works very well for summertime because, you know, a lot of times you're in a very moisturizing situation as far as it's sweaty, it's humid, the aforementioned water parks, things like that. It's nice to have a waterproof mascara for that situation. Additionally, if you are someone who suffers from eye allergies, I myself do that. I have very watery eyes and I get seasonal allergies both in the springtime and in the fall. So it does help to have a waterproof product so that you don't end up with smearing all over your face. So one of the benefits of this mascara is that the packaging is quite extraordinary. It is basically the unicorn of packaging. So this is what it looks like. I mean, it is just, it's multicolored, it's glittery. I mean, it is extremely girly, very, very girly. It does kind of look like a unicorn a little bit. So I will show you what the wand looks like because there are different types of mascara wands. Some mascara wands are a natural bristle brush. And then there are other mascara wands, such as this one that is more of a rubbery wand. So if you can see, it is the rubbery bristled kind. And it is shaped a little bit like, I would say, a Christmas tree. So it's fairly narrow. And I find that that is very good for getting the corner lashes. And I also like to use this on my bottom lashes. My upper lashes are very fine. And they're very short and they're very straight. So my natural hair is very curly, but my eyelashes are very straight and they go straight down. So I find that this helps hold a curl. When I use my eyelash curler, it helps hold a curl. And my bottom lashes, ironically, are very long, which is kind of strange. But anyway, I find that this works very well on my bottom lashes and also prevents the smudging that can sometimes occur there because my bottom eyelashes are very long. So this product is available on Amazon and it is also available on Subscribe and Save. It is a very economical price. I was looking just the other day and I do believe it's about $7.59 on their Subscribe and Save. Some of the claims are longer, thicker, voluminous lashes, instant results with a single coat. I do find that you don't need an additional coat. I do find that it does build on itself if you're interested in applying more than one coat. I know a lot of women like to do that. It's also not flaking and it's easy to remove. And I have found that it does remove quite well with warm water. I like to use a cleansing balm at night to remove my makeup. And this product doesn't happen to remove very well with a cleansing balm type product. So I usually will go in with my eyes first and just use warm water to get my mascara off before going in with the rest of my makeup removal. So another value of having this on a Subscribe and Save situation is that if you're unfamiliar, ophthalmologists recommend that you replace your mascara every 3 months. And so if you were to set yourself up on a Subscribe and Save on Amazon for this particular product, say for a 3-month time period, then you would know that when your new mascara comes, it's time to throw your old tube away because no one wants to deal with any kind of eye infections. So Hopefully you will get this and give it a try and like it as much as I have enjoyed it. Once again, everything that you need to know for this particular product will be linked down in the description box below. And I hope that you will come back and see us again for more fabulous reviews. My husband also does reviews. We have reviews on as things as varied as power tools, coffee mugs, other beauty products, cookware, and etc. So definitely come back and consider subscribing, and we'll see you again next time on The Savvy Shoppers.